There's Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV.
There's Rocksteady at King of the Pit TV. This is a nice, easy album to listen to be honest. This has been a breeze as of so far. Wind Up is the title of this one. It's a short one at 2 minutes 30, but we've got an even shorter one coming up afterwards. Let's jump straight in. Track 5 of 14. We're listening to the whole record, aren't we? Powerhouse of a drummer, eh? Hard. Here we go. Very good. That was Wind Up. Powerhouse of a drummer. That was a great showcase of the wallop of the drum kit on that particular one. We've got... Have I just restarted the same song? We've got Up in Arms coming up. It was easy listening, that tune. It was powerful. It didn't necessarily possess the hook we want from a Foo Fighters song, though. We want a real good, melodic, catchy hook. We've got Up in Arms coming up now, okay?